Good morning, people. I know everyone must be like, where I've been at, why they haven't seen me. And I was very sick. I had a flu so bad. The flu was messing me up. I was weak. I couldn't do nothing. But I'm now back stronger and healthier. I'm back in full effect. Good morning to each and every one. I know some people. I check my YouTube and it says some people unsubscribe from me. It doesn't matter to me, So hey, I'm back in full effect. I'm healthy. I'm back to myself again. I'm stronger. No longer weak. No longer sick. You know. Sickness is a thing that make you feel. I don't know. I was so weak. I went and got my first COVID shot. Make sure I got my first COVID shot. So because I don't want to be sick. The flu was really terrible, and I was so weak I couldn't do nothing. So, hey, boss lady Denise, feel good to be back. You know, I didn't even realize that. I didn't even realize that I got the community already. So I was surprised. I come back and I see that I got the community. So now I can share people's video. I know I can share my video after I upload it live and stuff for people in the seat. So I'm surprised I got the community. I haven't been on here since that last live stream. I was I was weak out and very, very sick, But thank you, God. I'm back to myself. I'm back strong again, back healthy again, you know. I don't post everything on Instagram and stuff. So people, if you don't follow me on Facebook or whatever, I post mostly there. So, so that's that. But feels good to be back. Hope everyone is doing well. How are you, boss lady Denise? Hope everyone is doing well. Hope everyone is blessed. Hope everyone is happy. You know. Yes, I'm working on these watch hours for sure, for sure. Which I just did a upload this morning. I work on a premiere for tomorrow, a part one, and I'm going to work on the part two. I got a massage video loading for tomorrow, and I'm about to upload the part two for the next day. So yes, I'm about to load a massage series right now. So feels good to be back. Cause when some people don't see you for a while, they be thinking all type of stuff. You know, if you have my number and you don't message me, like if you only gonna be my friend, if I'm only on YouTube or I'm there, or you don't know what a person or what might happen to a person. You know what I'm saying? So if you got a person number, you message them and check up on them. If you don't hear from them, that person could be very sick. You don't know. You feel me? So if you have a person number or you follow a person on social media or something, you DM them and ask them, say, hey Flossy, you good, haven't seen you in a while or whatever. You know what I'm saying? Hit that person up, you know? So my IG is, I'm gonna show you. Hold on. I'm gonna put it on the screen so you can see it. Boss Lady 71, okay. Let me see something real quick. This is my Instagram right here. For all the people who don't know, you see, that's my Instagram right there. Oh, well, I gotta fix the phone. That's my Instagram right here. Well, see, so you can go and follow me if you haven't been following me, and I'll follow you back. And for the people who haven't seen me in a while, y'all could have hit me up and see if I was okay. So okay, I'm gonna go and follow you right now. Boss Lady Denise. Okay, I found you. I just follow you. Jesse, I see we have some new. I see you post on Instagram, so I gotta watch your videos. How are you? How are you, Jesse? Okay, I accept your request, Boss Lady Denise. I just saw it. So how is everyone? How is everyone doing? How is everyone been? I got a lot of videos to catch up on with everybody. I'm glad they're doing good, Jesse. I know your video must be getting some lot of views though, like some 200,000 views. I know that. I know you must be getting some lot of views. Well, I'm happy for you. You gotta stick to. Let me tell you with this. You gotta do what's best for you on YouTube, not for what, not for what for people. You feel me? So if you're doing them shower vlogs and you're getting 200, 300,000 views or 400,000 views, that's what's gonna put money in your pocket. You know? So not because you might get a one or two thumbs down or 50 thumbs down, because it's not for because other people is hating on your success, because they're seeing you're successful and they see you winning and what you're doing is working for you. You keep doing that because that's what's going to put money in your pocket. So hey, congrats to you and more success to you. you know Haters go always hate, and I see other person are following, trying to do what you're doing. But guess what? There's only one Jesse. They could never be you. I see other people doing what you're doing, and they're not giving you credit. They're not giving you credit for your videos. Trying to copycat you. But I ain't gonna call that person name though. I ain't gonna call that person name. You feel me? But I see they trying to do the show of vlog like you. And congrats, boss lady Denise, almost at your 1K. Yep, so I see that lady trying to do the show of vlogs at you, but she ain't say, hey, you know what? My credit to Jessie Queen, because it's because of her why I'm doing the show of vlogs too. I ain't see she giving you no credit. And I was like, oh wow. If a person ever see you do that, if a person ever see you if you do the show of vlogs, Jesse, they wouldn't be I should I say they wouldn't be doing the shower vlogs too. You feel me? It's just crazy how people follow you. Good morning, Miss Jai. It's crazy how people follow doing the same stuff you doing, but don't want to give you credit for it though. Yep, because they see you winning, but they hating though because they're not getting the views you getting. You know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna watch up your videos though, Jesse. I'm gonna watch your videos though, Jesse. Miss you, my friend. Really do. Lee USA, I'm great. You know, I was sick with the flu. I had the flu very bad, but I'm I'm a lot better now though. I'm a lot better now, thank God. I'm a lot better now. Giving God thanks because health is something you cannot buy. Yeah, that's what I'm working on, Jesse. I'm working on my watch hours and I'm about to load a series of massage videos because I realize when I put up those videos I get a lot of views. But when I put up the food, I don't get a lot of views on the food. So just like how you do your shower vlogs, I'm gonna keep do these massage videos. I'm gonna load like a whole series of massage videos. You see what I realized that you gotta do what's work for you. People going thumb down your video. People not going like certain stuff you do. But at the end of the day, it is what it is. You know, everybody can't be doing the same thing. You know what I'm saying? A person might not like something because they be like, oh, they think as massage video as sex or sexual. A person might not like your shower vlogs because they see you showing your legs and stuff. But guess what? In life, sex sells. Sex sells. People are weak to certain things because people are always thinking about sex and certain stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna keep loading these massage videos and Jesse keep loading those beautiful videos you be loading because I'm telling you this. Your editor is super great. Like your edit, the editing is super great. How you do those massage videos. But a lot of guys gonna see that and they're gonna be weak to that. So you're gonna get a lot of views. Who know? You might get a million views on one of those videos. You know? So let's keep winning. The haters are always gonna hate, Jesse. The haters are always gonna hate. Because they be like, oh, I see Jesse do the show vlog, but you don't do your show vlog like Jesse though. So don't think you're gonna get the same views. You know what I'm saying? And they always say in life that cat and dog don't got the same luck. So not because you're seeing Jesse getting 300,000 views in a week, you go and do it and get the same views. Because guess what? God have that blessing for Jesse. You know what I'm saying? But you should give Jesse credit. I see you putting up the videos like Jesse lady. I see you trying to follow Jesse, but you ain't giving Jesse credit. Say, you know what? I would never saw this if it wasn't for Jesse. Yeah, but you uploading the videos trying to be like Jesse, but you would never be Jesse. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, because what God have for a person, that's for them. You know? But I see you being a copycat trying to follow Jesse, but you don't want to give Jesse no credit though. And you would never do that video if you never see Jesse was doing it. With your ugly feet. Oh wow. You got some ugly feet. I swear. I just gotta be laughing, man. I swear to God. Yeah. You see Jesse doing that stuff and Jesse getting a lot of views. And you trying to be like Jesse. You should get your feet pedicure before you come up on YouTube trying to put up videos. Yeah, but I'm very happy for you, Jesse. I remember when I just found your channel and Patricia Media, and you was going live every day for your watch hours. But I'm so happy for you. Trust me, I'm super happy for you. Yeah, I'm so happy for you. May you have lot more success and lot more blessings. And I hope your video, one of your show videos, hit 1 million views. You deserve all the success. How you doing, Miss Jai? Yep. And blessings to each and every one. Hey, what is shoe though, boss lady? Let me tell you this, people. Let me tell you. Sex sells. Sex sells. So, you know, if you go put up a video on YouTube where you just showing your feet and your legs, you know, uh, a guy who have a crush on you, right? The guy knows you got a boyfriend or you might be married or you and your boyfriend might be together for a lot of years. And that person see you put up that video, they're gonna be like, oh damn, I gotta check her out. Oh wow. Wow, her legs that pretty. Oh wow, her toes that pretty. You know, you got your YouTube crush and stuff like that. Yeah, so yeah, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, yep. So hey, for real though, people will weak when they see a little feet and a little toes and all of that. Especially if you got some good looking feet or legs. Yep. Yeah, man, Jessie be getting a lot of views, man. Trust me, she do. Matter of fact, I'm a put her but I don't want to put her video on here and I get no copyright, so that's why I ain't gonna do that. But yeah, she got some beautiful videos. You check her out. See her right there. Just type in Jessie Queen. Jessie, it's the truth though, Jessie. I'm pretty sure you reach I'm pretty sure you are 20,000 subscriber or something by now. I know that. Wow. Yo, I'ma show you boss lady. See one of her video? She got see one of Jessie video, she got 267,000 views in a week. See that? 267,000 views in a week. Jessie killing the game right now. Wow, Jessie. Yep. That's a lot of views. And her other video, I see her other video, she got let me see. Her other video, she got 21,000 views in 2 days. Hey Jesse, you killing the game right now, Jesse. Keep it up though. You got the guys weak, Jesse. You got the guys weak on YouTube, Jesse. Sure do. You got them guys weak. You got them guys weak, Jesse. Yep. Yeah, just Jesse killing the game. She killing the game. She's killing the game with them shower vlogs. See her other video, she got 21,000 views in 2 days. Yeah, she killing the game. Yeah, I'm so happy for her though. You know what I mean? And then this other lady's trying to do what she doing. This other lady's trying to do what she doing and ain't giving Jessie credit for her work. You know? And she need to give Jessie credit though. Yeah. Hey, guys are weak to that stuff though. You feel me? Guys are weak to stuff like that. You should see when Jessie have her premiere. Guys be going crazy over that stuff. And I'm gonna tell her just keep doing it just because it's working for you. You know? And rack up your views and get paid. You know what I'm saying? Shit. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Rack up your views and get paid, Jessie. Yep. Rack up your views and get paid. For sure, for sure. Yeah, that's that's a blessing for sure. I'm gonna watch her video on the TV later. I'm gonna watch some of them right now too. And I'm so happy to get a community now. I'm sure you're my community, Jesse. So people will subscribe to you. So if you want to follow Jesse, you can go look at my community and you will see I just shared. I'm so happy to get a community now. I've been waiting to have a community, so y'all can see Jesse, all Jesse Shower vlogs. Yeah, that's a blessing for sure, boss lady Denise. Feels so good to get a community now, you know. And Jesse, you gotta be hitting at least 20,000 subscribers right now. I know you gotta hitting 20,000 subscribers. I know that for a fact you gotta have at least 20,000 subscribers now. Yep. Well, I'm so happy for you though. I said I'm gonna keep loading these massage videos and rack up my following too. I got some stuff in store too. Yep. I'm back in full effect. Yeah, go follow her, boss lady Denise. Yeah, I'm super happy for you, Jesse. You killing the game. I'm happy for all your success. Many, many blessings to you. You know. But people who are following Jesse doing the shower routine, you need to give Jesse her credits. You need to show Jesse credits. You need to show Jesse her credits. You feel me? Stop doing the same thing that Jesse doing, and I don't want to give Jesse her credit though. You know that's foul. That's foul, and many reasons. You know why? Because Jesse is the first one I see do the shower routine and here on YouTube. So give Jesse your credits. You know what I'm saying? Give Jesse your credits. Feel me? Don't don't be doing what she doing and don't giving her credit. You feel me? That's just full. That's wrong on so many levels. Feel me? Yep. Feels so good to be back. Feels good to be healthy again. Feels good to not be sick no more. You know? Yeah, thanking God. You feel me? Yep. No more flu. Good morning, Black Lady. How are you? No more flu, no more sickness, no more feeling weak. It's a beautiful Monday. Yeah, people, y'all go follow Jesse Queen. Jesse Queen killing the YouTube right now. She killing the game. I should say Queen of YouTube. Uh Very soon, Jesse, I know you'll be hitting 1 million views on your videos. Yeah. I think I see one of your video got like 252,000 views or 500,000 views. Yep, let's keep it up, Jesse. Many success to you, you know what I'm saying? Yep, many success to you. I'm so happy for you. I'm so happy for you. Yep. Yeah, I'm streaming for an hour. I'm streaming for 1 hour for my watch hours. How are you, Miss Jai, my sister? You know, I'm streaming for 1 hour for my watch hours. Hopefully, I'll be monetized soon, which I'm gonna make sure I stream 1 hour every day, 1 hour every day, and load my new videos for my channel. Yeah. Hi, Black Lady. Yeah, I got to catch up on your videos too, Boss Lady Denise. So I'll be catching up on your videos too, you know. Yeah, and Jesse, I appreciate you coming on my live stream to show me some love. You know, 'cause I used to always be on your live stream every morning too when you was having coffee, you know. So yeah, I was there before you blow up super big with all them views, you know. Just so I know you my sister and I love you, Jesse. Yeah, you're humble. Good morning, brother Eddie. I see you come on a different alias. How are you doing this morning? Thanks for the thumbs up. And people, I must say this: make sure you take care of your health. I see health is something you can't buy. Money can't buy health. Your health is very important. Your health is very important, people. You know, and no matter how much money a person have or whatever, it cannot buy your health. You know, cannot buy your health. And I can say sickness is one of the worst thing because when you're sick, your body is weak and you can't do nothing. I make sure I drink go eat me an orange right now too. Tremaine, you don't see what my stuff say? I was sick. That's why I wasn't on here. If it was on the live earlier, you will see. I was sick and now I'm back. Oh, and good morning to you, self care. Yeah, I was sick. So if a person, you know what I'm saying, I used to be the type of person who I'll go and message everybody all the time, checking up on them. And I realized that when I was sick, nobody really checked on me or see if I was okay. And see the reason why I wasn't on YouTube. Nobody checked on me. The only person check on me was my brother Sir Eddie Hart Haas and Miss Jai. Those was the only person check on me. My Philippines family. Yeah, that's the only person check on me. You know what I'm saying? That's the only person check on me to see if I was okay. And I told them, say, hey, I was sick. And when I'm back, I'll be back on YouTube. So that's the truth. Yep. I'm the type of person I always messaging everyone, messaging everyone, wishing them a good week, wishing them a good day. But I realize that people don't check on me though. You know what I'm saying? So hey, it is what it is, you know. I'm gonna say it like this. If you're following a person on Instagram, right? And if you want to see that person in a while on a video or something, it must be a reason why you don't see that person. It take 1 second or 1 minute to send a message and say, hey, are you doing okay? I hope all is well or whatever. And that person can message you back and say, hey, you know what? I'm sick. I got the flu. That way you know that person is sick and something is wrong with them. But, you know, I'm the type of person always checking on people first. Always wishing the person a good week. Always wishing them a good day. And you know, I stopped doing that stuff now though, because you know, I don't have time for one-way friendship, you know. So if it's always me go always check on you to see if you always good and you can't check on me, you know, I'm cool, you feel me? And that's just the truth, you know. You try to search on me at IG. I don't even know. I don't even know your IG. Oh, Chin and Duyan, good morning. You know, I have a million video to catch up on with everybody, so let us be watching. I'm gonna be watching everybody video today. Like, I'm feeling a lot better. You see, right now, me here, me I peel an orange. I try to get some vitamin C in my body, so I feel better. You know what I mean? Yeah, 'cause I don't want to be sick no more. So I hope everybody been doing good. Otherwise, though, hope everyone in the best of health. Nobody ain't sick. You know what I mean? You know? Oh, these orange are good. Yes, all the people who think I was ignoring them and think I wasn't watching them video. That's how black people think. That's how people think and black people think. All you could have to do is send me a simple DM. If you send me a simple DM and ask me, say, yo, Flossy, are you okay? You understand me? That's all I could have done. I would have tell you, say, hey, I'm very sick with the flu. So I'm sick out and I'm sick with the flu. I'm lay in my bed for over a week. I'm very sick. They could have checked on me. I mean, I'm tired of being the person who always messaging people, asking if them good, always wishing them a good day, and nobody can check on me. That's not fair to me. I am always being the genuine person, checking on every single body. Always. Wishing the person a good week, wishing the person a good day, ask them good, but nobody can message me and say, Flossy, are you good? Man, if that's how a friendship gonna be, I don't want your friendship, you feel me? I work straight up. Just like that. And that's just how I feel right now. You know? I'm tired of one-way friendship. I'm just tired of that stuff. Yep, so yeah, I'm okay now, brother Eddie. And Lee USA, I hope you have a very good day at work. Yeah, so if you never see me on YouTube, that must mean that something was wrong. I wasn't on here. Hear me a cough. I wasn't on here. I was very sick. I'ma just get better. Yep, so that's why I see me come on YouTube this morning. Oh, so a morning Shade. Yeah, feel much better now, thank God. See, I'm making sure taking vitamins now and drink orange juice and stuff like that and eat orange and stuff so healthy. I don't want to be sick no more because when you're sick, you can't do nothing. So always all of y'all though. Everybody been good? Hey, the backyard life. Yeah, good to be back now, you know. I know I'm about to put in back my work and I'm about to catch up on everybody videos. You know, I got that second massage video part two video to finish up today. So yeah, have a very good day. Trimian. I'm about to work on this next massage video part two. I got a part one dropping tomorrow. So I'm about to put in these work and get these videos back loaded, you know. Oh yeah, work Shadi. Okay. What time is it where you at right now? And how are you with the backyard life? Don't worry, Chimin, I'm going to catch up on your videos, everybody. Buddy, catch up on everybody videos. Watching my TV. And I'm going to comment after. Yeah, so I'm going to run everybody. I'm my sweet friend, boss lady Denise. You know, that's why I know say I love it too. You know, I love you very much. You always show me support. And I appreciate you. So happy I come across the channel here on YouTube. You know, I love you from the bottom of my heart. That's why you know that. Shade, same for you. You know, backyard life, same for you. You know, League USA, every single body, Trimier, everybody. You know, it's all love from me, brother Eddie, Miss Jai. You know, I love to every single each and every one. You know, blessings to each and every one. You know, I hope everyone had a very great weekend. You know, and I hope everyone gonna have a very better week, prosperous week, happy week, you know, blessed week, you know. Hope everyone make a lot of money, you know. Hope everyone working towards their dreams and everything, you know. Whatever you're going through, if you're going through something, I hope it get better, you know, not worse, you know. So, and I'm just sending positive vibes every single body way, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, Shadi, I forgot what your Instagram is too, you know. I gotta tell I gotta tell people that I'm sick, but I'm not the type of person to post everything on social media because some people love to pray on negativity. So I was just trying to get better, you know what I mean? Yep. hmm You know, man, everything what I got in store for my channel, trust me, channel is gonna grow very big. Yep. And I want the same for everyone too. I love you more, Lee USA. Hope you're having a great day at work, my friend. You know, people know that whenever I come on YouTube, it's always positive energy. You know, I don't be negative no more. I don't talk about nothing negative no more. I always be positive now. Yep. You know, I don't let certain stuff get to me no more. Feel me? Yep. You know, I don't care who don't support me. And stuff like that. You know what I mean? Like, I'm gonna always show everybody love because that's how my parents raised me. You know, and you know, the good is always go outweigh the bad. You feel me? So, you know, If you show me love, I show you love. Support me, I'ma support you. Feel me? Hey, what's up, D&D? Yeah, glad to be back, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna catch up on everybody's video. I see it was live too. And catch up on everyone video, you know, and watch out everyone videos and comment and stuff, you know. It's a lot of catching up to do though. But glad to be back healthy. You know what I mean? Mhm. Glad to be back healthy. Yep. On a blessed day. Health is something where you can't buy, you know what I mean? Yep. Health is wealth. Mhm. Glad to be back for real, you know. You know, all the people them who think say was ignoring them and why them not see my video. You could have simple send me a simple DM on Instagram. You feel me? People could have sent me a simple DM on Instagram and say, yo, Flossy, you good? You feel me? Let me take this off me because I always sleep with this with my so my ear don't mess up. A person could have simply say, yo, Flossy, 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 you good? You feel me? You good? And I could have simply say, yo, you know, yo, I'm sick out. I got the flu. You could have simple check on me. You feel me? I see could have simple check on me. Yeah man, when I get my when we get the bank account, me join the membership, no problem, bro. I support everybody. Yeah. We need to like fix up my ear too, you know what I mean? That's why. Yeah, so you feel me? So people, you know, it's just my always I show love to every single body. And you could have simple check up on me just like how I'm always checking up on everyone. You know, I need to all fix my ear too cause you know, I don't fix my ear yet. Yep, so yeah, glad me alive too, you know. Greatest thing alive. Greatest thing alive. Sure, for sure. Fix up myself a little bit. Yeah, so glad for be better. I mean, glad to be better. You know, glad to be healthy again. Feel me? And give God thanks for life. You know, what and that person name. Yeah, blessed morning, you know what I mean? Yeah, fix up the year. A whole heap of year now. God here just get it back done. hmm Blessings to everybody. You know, almost 1 hour time. So, see you. Yeah, me know some people might say, damn it, long time flossing I come support my video and stuff. I know black people think and black people to say, oh damn floss, long time I just floss up my video no more and things I'm stop support them. But you know yourself, you have my number. You have my number, you can hit me up and say, yo, floss you good. Long time I not see you hope everything alright. You know? Good. I'm just leave some people be there, you know what I mean? Leave some people be, you feel me? So if me can always check for you and you can check for me, oh well. And you never know say me was sick. You feel me? Then me just cool off for you. Feel me? I say, yep, different me right now. Although the 1 hour so run off still though. Boss lady is still here. What are you doing today? And D, thanks for the share now. Hope everything going on, bro. Many blessings to you here, bro. I'm so come off for this right now. So make this just go Yeah, peeps, I must say, hope everyone having a great day, you know, and just enjoy this beautiful Monday, enjoy this new week, this new month, and I hope everyone working towards their dreams and, you might want to start a business or something, just keep pushing yourself and believe in yourself and know that you will be successful and you will come out on top. Do not give up. Just keep going, you know. Even if you're working your 9 to 5 and you're not getting enough pay, just put in the work on YouTube and think of a master plan, think of a video. One video person, one video, my peeps, one video can change your life. One video with enough views can change your life and make your channel take off or you want it to take off. So just keep thinking, you know, and think about what you want. Use your 5 cents that God give you. You know what I'm saying, people? Everything is not about education is important, yes, but everything is not about it thinks a person more educated more than you or whatever, so they're more smart of you, smarter than you. Use the knowledge what God give you. God give everyone a gift, and you gotta find out what your gift is so you can get rich. You know what I'm saying? It's not about being educated, but use your 5 senses what God give you. And you think of a master plan and you execute that master plan, and that's what gonna make you come out on top in life. So you just gotta think and think and use what God give you. You know, you don't have to go to college or university to be rich. You feel what I'm saying? Yep, you just have to just think with your brain. Cause don't ever think that you're dumb, or don't think that damn, I wish more was like that person. No. God give you a gift and you just gotta find that gift, and that's what gonna make you be successful in life. You feel what I'm saying? So say you wanted to open like a chemical store that sell bleach and dishwashing liquid and fabric softener and stuff like that. You go for it, because not everybody is gonna be a doctor, not everybody is gonna be a lawyer, not everybody is gonna be a nurse or soldier or whatever. Not everybody is gonna be that. Your gift might be you opening a grocery store or a wholesale, or what I say, a chemical store or a laundromat. You have to just do what you love, or a recording studio. you know some people just go to high school alone and then get rich. Everybody don't go to college. See, you have to just find what you like, perfect that craft, work towards it, believe in yourself. It's not going to happen overnight. You have to work towards it. So, peeps, just keep going and just know that one day you're gonna make it big. I just want everybody to know, say, I love y'all. As what I say, I wasn't feeling too good, but now I'm back healthy. I'm back in full effect, and I'll be watching every single person video and catching up to y'all video. The people have a very blessed week, and me see y'all tomorrow again, or I might run the stream overnight silent again with the watchers. So I love y'all and peace out. Have a great Monday. Remain blessed.